Here's a sample of some of the classic Cadillac wiper motors that we have ready to go. We have others boxed up, ready to go. Same thing with the boosters. They're all set, they're ready to go, they're already rebuilt. You don't want to have to send yours in, wait for it to be rebuilt, wait for weeks, etc. They're here. There's more brake boosters from the 50s, the 60s, even the 80s. We even have from the 76 Eldorado, 76, 78 Eldorado. Here's the Hydro Boost factory tray. It's all detailed up, ready to go, ready to be installed in the car. No waiting, no worry about sending yours out to get it rebuilt. Gearboxes, water pumps, fuel pumps, calipers, they're all here. So when we say we have it in stock, it's in stock. There's no waiting. Rebuilt hood hinges in stock, ready to go, already rebuilt. What's this one here? 67 to 70 Eldorado, 61 to 64s. They're all here. They're rebuilt. They're bubble wrapped. They're ready to be shipped. No waiting. When we get a core in, we send them right back out, right to our rebuilder. They come back looking just like this. Every single rivet has been replaced. Everything has been sandblasted to check for cracks. Every single rivet. There's no generic photos of any of our rebuilt items, so you can see exactly what you're going to get. They're not painted or rebuilt color, so that way you can see every single thing has been replaced and checked for cracks. Where you buy your classic Cadillac parts from matters.